Hey y'all, hello from Texas. How are you? Happy Friday. Oh my goodness, what are you gonna do on your Friday? It's been a super laid back Friday, which are seriously my favorite kind. I love using Friday just to catch up on some of the end of the week stuff and then always look forward to my kids being home for the weekend. So anyway, super fun, super fun. All right, well, hey guys, welcome. Put in the comments, what are you doing with your Friday? Do you have any special plans? Is it a Netflix night at home? Hey Trina, good to see you. So happy Friday, happy Friday. All right. Well, first of all, I just have to say, I told you it was a laid back Friday, which means, yeah, I mean, let's be honest, haven't showered or washed or combed my hair. Now, so no judgment on that. However, I do want to take a moment to put a plug for the Norwex Pillowcases. These are incredible. Who loves the Norwex Pillowcases already? Post in the comments if you already have them and your favorite thing about these crazy awesome pillowcases. So I have used silk pillowcases for years actually, and I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but I actually think I like the Norwex pillowcase even better than my silk pillowcases. So the reason I use silk for years is it's a lot easier on your hair. It doesn't yank and pull and tug at those ends, and my hair, you know, I didn't wake up with it all frizzed out. However, it's even better with the Norwex ones. Now, you all can imagine how full of germs a pillowcase might get, right? We won't talk about it, but I think there's actually like testing out there that says it isn't good. So I love that the Norwex pillowcases have that backlock technology in them. So just one more reason to love them, all right? So if you guys have not yet gotten Norwex pillowcases, you need to take the leap. You are gonna love them. They're probably one of my favorite new products. All right, so now really what I wanted to tell you all about is a sale that Norwex just announced today, and I couldn't have written a better sale if I tried. I'm so excited about this, okay? So first of all, there are a certain kitchen cloth and towel set that, no kidding, I actually kind of hoard. The reason I hoard them is they're not available in the catalog, and they are probably my favorite. How many of you love the Turquoise kitchen cloth and towel set? Can you throw up some comments so I know you're there? Put in your comments if you have tried this kitchen cloth and towel set. So one side has kind of this lined weave and then one more, the waffle weave. It is so fabulous and so pretty. They add a nice pop of color. Of course, I love turquoise anyway, so that's not hard to convince me on. And then this towel, oh, it's the best thing for drying dishes. You can use it for drying hands. If you have turquoise in your bathroom, you could totally use this as a bathroom hand towel. So the sky's the limit, but I will tell you, you will love them. And they're on sale today. So also on sale is the new, well, sort of new, microfiber cleaner laundry booster. So hey guys, good to see you. Talk to me. I want to hear, I know several of you already have Norwex, so I want to hear what's your favorite thing about the Norwex pillowcases. Have you tried a deep clean on your Norwex cloths yet? And do you have these in your kitchen? Okay. So what's your favorite thing about the Norwex pillowcase? Have you done a deep clean on your Norwex cloths yet? And do you have the turquoise exclusive weave kitchen cloth and towel set at your house? Okay. All right. So actually just now my husband came in and he's like, how long have the clothes been in the washer? And I'm sure that's never happens to you all, but it happens to me. I put in a load, wash it, and then I forget to put it in the dryer. And if you've ever had those stinky sour clothes, you know that's not a good recipe, right? So what I did is I put in the amazing Norwex laundry booster, along with just a titch more of the powder detergent. And I'm running that load again because I don't want to deal with sour clothes, and this stuff is crazy awesome. Now, another thing about this is if you have had, hey guys, welcome. If you've had your Norwex cloths for a while, this is like as my friend Mecca says, spa day for your Norwex claws. No joke. Those claws work their tails off for you. And from time to time, they just need a good deep cleaning. And I love how easy it is. We used to say to boil the water and put in the detergent and soak them overnight. It's just so much easier now. Just pour some pretty nice hot water in the sink, but it doesn't have to be boiling. Just hot sink water, and then put a scoop of this in, and then put your cloths in. It gives you specific directions on the back, and swish them around, a little cloth soup going on. You'll see the water starts getting really dirty because everything that the Norwex claws grab onto and hold onto, sometimes they need to be given what they need to totally release that, and that is your microfiber cleaner. So use it as a laundry booster. We love it for that. Like I said, left a load in the wash too long, and I'm like, I'm not taking any chances. I'm gonna run it with this. Awesome for deep cleaning your Norwex cloths. So there's a couple things, but I highly recommend you try it because it's on sale. So let me tell you about the sale here. I wanna pull this up a quick second. Item number F as in Frank, S as in Sam, 2 FEB as in February. For just $36.98. It would normally be $56.97. So that's like a $20 savings on this, you guys. You get the amazing exclusive turquoise kitchen towel and cloth and microfiber cleaner laundry booster. Okay, now the fact of it is really you're paying for these two and you're getting a free towel. So isn't that awesome? So you guys, if you haven't yet snatched up this 2 days, I think it's 2 day sale. Let me check when it ends. Available 9 a.m. Central Time, February 22nd. That's today. And till noon Central Time, February 25th. So the thing I will tell you about flash sales is, yes, they have been known to sell out. So it is while supplies last, of course. So just make sure to get your order in sooner than later if you are as obsessed with these things as I am. Yay, I think you're gonna love them. So, all right. Thanks for popping on, you guys. What a fabulous sale. Are you guys excited? Show me some love here. I'm like, what did I do with my cloth? So it's a sale going on, and it goes till noon on February 25th or while supplies last. And sorry, I've got to pick up this cloth here. All right, and what you get is the exclusive. This is not available in the catalog, so it's only available on exclusive times like this. The exclusive turquoise kitchen towel and cloth set. You're gonna fall in love. I tell you what, I open my kitchen cloth towel set drawer, and guess which ones I always grab? Because they're my favorite. And then also the, I always have to think, microfiber cleaner laundry booster. Bam. So just $36.98, you get all 3 of those, which is about 20 bucks off, which in essence is a free towel, right? So that's pretty sweet. And I challenged you earlier, for those of you who are just now joining, who loves the Norwex pillowcases? Oh, I'm just so in love with these things. They're awesome. First of all, they just, like, you seriously don't have bed head the way, maybe you never had bed head. I get bed head. If I sleep on a traditional pillowcase, I'm telling you what, it's Frizz City bed head. And you are going to not even believe how much easier this pillowcase is on your hair. And of course, it's got the back lock technology in it to help self-purify that pillowcase, unlike your average pillowcases. So while you're taking advantage of the sale, I highly recommend you get yourself a set of pillowcases. I know you are gonna thank me. Anyway, so thanks for hanging with me for a while. Super excited for this sale. Get out there while supplies last, and when you get yours, I cannot wait for you to send me a message and say, you're right, Sonya, they're the best thing ever, because they really are. And then that deep clean, then you can make sure to deep clean all of your Norwex microfiber. All right, make it an awesome weekend. I'm excited for an online party tomorrow morning, and then a little vendor fair that I just popped into. So I'm super excited to do that and share Norwex with some more people. So if you're near me in Texas, Come visit me tomorrow. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone. Have a great weekend.